Hello everyone, good morning. Today we have entered into module 2 of our Excel series in which we are going to cover Excel functions. So what we are going to see in our today's session, that is in module 2, we are going to see the text functions, that is how to align your text in left, right, mid, and what is the length of that, how to trim the text, in which position the text can be trimmed, and how to proper find, search, concatenate, text join. What is the difference between concatenate and text join also? In the number function, how to round, ceiling, floor, random number, random between, that is your rand, and date and time functions like today, now, date difference, week number, and network days. Right? This is what today we are going to see. I welcome you all to SphereSkill Technologies, which is empowering tomorrow's learning. So on this series, we have completed our module 1, so which has given you the basic information of Excel, how to handle the workbook, how to add the worksheet, and how to print, how to handle the cells, rows, cell padding, row padding, and so on. Right. So if you guys have not seen the first series of our Excel basic, I will leave the card on the top. You can pick up the card and then complete the section 1 of the first series. We are in the section 2 where we are going to cover the module 2, which the topic which we have seen a little bit ago. Okay, so without any further delay, let us get it started. Do subscribe and do follow me on my Facebook and also on my YouTube, and do share this video with the needy one who are looking for getting expertise with Excel, and like this video if you found this to be useful. So in today's topic, we are going to see first text function, which will be like your alignment, which we have seen in our first session as well. So in module 2 also we will cover that left, right, mid, length, and then what is trim, what is proper, find, concatenate, and text to join. What is the difference between these two? Okay. So we will use one sample text here. So I have used one attendance tracker system to get the text functions. Okay, so I have information which has been pasted. I want to format as a text. So sorry, I want to format as a table. So for this, the best way is you can go to the insert ribbon and then format it as a table. By default, automatically when you select the cell and then click on the table, the selected cells will be appearing on your table selection automatically. Click OK, so you will get the table properties. So when it is having a table, so each and every column has been added with the column header, and that column header is having the records beneath. Okay, so now I want to add this to be having a left alignment. So we have already seen how to do a left alignment. Okay, so and how to do that? Alt H, AL is your left, and then Alt H, AR is your right. Okay, so AR is your right. So if you ask me, this is how I have to do. Definitely not. So you have multiple methods to do that. So how you can do, I will tell you. So this is your center, right? So you have also in the ribbon bar alignment is there. Okay, so that you can able to have a left, center, and right aligned also. And we have also some more, that is top alignment, and then we have a middle alignment, and we have a bottom alignment. So how does that works? We will see here. So I'm increasing the cell width and then cell height to show you that difference between this top alignment and middle alignment. Okay, so let us choose this cell and then go to the top alignment. Okay, so this has gone to the top left, top right, and then top middle, right? The same way we can bring the text to middle and middle left, middle right, and then middle right. Okay, same way to the bottom, bottom left, bottom center, and bottom right. So this is what the alignment functions will do, and this is your indent. Okay, so if you say what is that indent, you can able to increase the space from the left side or from the right side. So next we will go to the length properties. So using the length, we will get the length of which cell we want to get. Okay, so we will get the length of the first name. Okay, so for this we will put across like this. See here, it has taken the cell column. So it is not taking D5. Why it is not taking? Because we have aligned this as a table, right? So once we align this as a table, automatically the new column is been added. I didn't add the complete line, right? So that is the advantage, you get it as a table. So now you can add what is the title of this. Okay, so now we have seen what is the length of name. Next we will see what is trim. See what is the function of trim here. So what trim will do? Trim will eliminate the unwanted spacing actually. So we will use trim of what? Trim of first name. So when I do here, so you can see here there are so many spacings which I have added to demonstrate the trimming function. But once it is been trimmed, the irrespective with the spacing indent what is been available, that is been reduced here, right? So that is your trimming function. Okay, we will see what is the proper function. So what does proper do? Proper will make the text properly arranged with the title case and then the other with the lower case. So first it will convert everything to the uppercase. From there it will once again convert to the required format. Okay, so you can see here it has brought it. So whereas we are not having the first character as a capital, that is your title case which is not been found. What does title case? It's like it starts everything first character with capital, and then here we have added mj as a capital here, which has been once again converted. So that is the function of a proper. Okay, so and what is this? This is your trim. Okay, length we have seen, trim we have seen, and then proper also we have seen. Now we will go to the next one, find. Okay, to find it, find what does it will do? It will identify a character within the specific cells or within the specific selected value. Okay, so now let us say I want to find V. Okay, in which position it is. Okay, so for that, first what is the syntax? Find text, what you want to find, and within the text, so which text within you want to find it. So you can put what is the starting number. So by default it will consider as a 1. That is not a mandatory field. Okay, so here you can find it is like a 3. Okay, so in V is been found in the second, third position. So for similarly, it is like not found in this value. So here it is like found in the fifth position. So this is the advantage of that. So if I say in spite of V, you find A. Okay, so this many places we have found the A value. Okay, so what is the use of this? We will see how we will be using this in our use case. Okay, so this is a very specific use case it will be. I will show you when we are going to the. Likewise, I have prepared multiple templates. So these templates I will leave it to you in the knowledge hub, where you can able to download those templates and make use of it. So now we will see what is concatenate. So for concatenate is like merging two text or two cells. Now we will choose the text one. Okay, and then we will choose the text to get the full name, right? So we got the full name, but this is not the required format for us, right? So what we will do, we will use the new fields which we have used in our trim. And so full name is been properly received, but this is how to write the full name, no, right? So there should be some space in between. So how we can able to add this space here? So we can add before text 2, we can add one space. So you can see there is a space is added. So how did I add it? So I have given one double quotation, and it been that I have given one space. So that provides the spacing between these two names. So by using this, we can concatenate more than one cell. So we can have multiple text together and then form it as one result. For that we will use the concatenate function. Okay. Then okay guys, so we will see what is the text join. So text join, see, the beauty of Excel is once you type equal to and type any formula, it will give you what is the corresponding formula is available with that. So we can select it. Okay. So I have made a mistake. So what is text join? It will provide you a delimiter value. Okay. So first you will get one delimiter. What does this delimiter do? How do the cells has to be splitted? So unlike concatenate, so what we have done, we have used uh, additional column by adding a quotation and then we have given a space. So here we can provide it how the cells has to be splitted. Okay. So if I say like this, so it is asking whether should I need to ignore empty cell or I should not ignore empty cell. What does it mean? In between there is a empty cell is been available. If I say ignore, then what it will do? It will say like you have to ignore the empty cell. So I have given ignore the empty cell. I have chosen first name, then comma last name. Okay. So I will also choose whether they have worked today or not. Okay. So whether they have available today or not. Then what is their check-in time? After that, checkout and what is their total hours they have worked. Okay. So total hours what they have worked I have captured. So if I'm closing this, so you guys can see what is the result we have got it. See, so it has got Subramanian is like in the different name. So because okay, so here we have used the title case and then the proper case. So we can concatenate with the proper case. Okay. So the last name and the first name, let us concatenate with the first case and then the proper case. So for this we will use our first equal to text join. So delimiter, how we are going to split it, and then your first name. Okay, comma is not there. True. I need to remove the empty cells, and then your first name, and then your last name. So when they check in, what time they check in, what is their total working hours, and they are present for today or not. Okay. So all those things which you can able to concatenate using a text join function. Okay, so this is the function of text join. So unlike concatenate, you don't need to provide each and every cell by adding a empty space here. You are providing it with a delimiter how it has to be splitted. Okay, so by doing this you get all the result in one place, right? So this is how it is going to be. So now here I have provided empty cell, you forget it, right? But here it is not an empty cell. So if I remove these two empty cell, you can see what will happen. See, it is been removed here in this. So if I say empty cell also you include, it will provide the spacing here, okay, to have the empty spacing. So now I can able to remove it. If not, if I want to keep it, I can keep it this function. Hey guys, hope this session is very informative for you guys. If so, please do like and subscribe and do forward this to your friends who would like to get expertise with Excel. And we are covering up a lot of functions and also macros in our upcoming session where we will perform a project and we will see multiple templates how it will be useful. So today we have covered up what are the text function in our session 1, and due to the interest of time, not to make the video very lengthier, we will split it up to the second module, which I will be releasing it by today by 6:30. So you can able to watch that continuous to complete your module 2 series in our Excel Express. Okay, so until then, this is Jay Ganesan signing off for today. We will catch up in the evening. Yeah.